Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to be making french fries, and our ingredients are, we have the Irish potato, which is our main ingredient, and then we have our cornstarch, our salt, pepper and oil. Join me in the kitchen as we go. So we have peeled our Irish potato. Yes, we have peeled it, and then we would like to be cutting it. While cutting it, make sure that they are of equal size. Making it equal size or uniform size is so that it will be cooked at the same rate, and all of them will be done at the same time. So as you can see, it is already cut and washed. So we will be going in to start cooking our potatoes. First of all, you will like to start by adding water to your pot. And then you will go in with salt. Allow this water to boil before you add your potatoes. So now we are going to be adding our potatoes. This boiling will help to remove excess starch in the potato, which will help it to be more rigid after cooking. Cook until the potato is well cooked, but not overcooked. So now I will be straining my potatoes. So I had to make use of what was available. So I'm going to be adding my potatoes into that bag, and also adding my cornstarch, my salt and my pepper. So I'll be giving it a thorough mix. Why I'm using this method is so that it won't be messy while using it, and also, as you know, the potato is already done. It can easily break if you decide to use a plate to mix this. So now, as you can see, all our potatoes are covered with the ingredients. Now we'll be going to fry our potato. The quantity of oil you use is determined by the amount of potato you're going to be frying. As you can see, potatoes are frying very well. will be going back to fry all of them. This time the potato will be very crispy. It can even stay okay being crispy throughout. So now our potatoes are ready to be served. I'm going to be removing them from the oil. Then I will continue with other batch. Can you see how crispy this potato is looking? I think you should give it a try because I really enjoyed making it. See how beautiful it is looking. Thank you for joining me in today's kitchen. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell